Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not turning on by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Now, very first thing and the really important thing is that making sure your phone has charge. Sometimes you may think you charged it, however, it doesn't have enough charge. In that case, you want to make sure that you really know that the phone is charged. Sometimes the cable or the block can actually be defective. So you want to try to charge it with another device just to rule out that it's not your charger, that's not actually charging your phone, and it might just be dead. You can also try using a wireless charger. So if you have a wireless charge pad, charge it with that. And the other thing I also want to verify that sometimes there's dust, dirt, lint that can be blocking it. So when it comes to charging your phone, it's not actually charging or making that connection. Now, once you know for sure that the phone is charged, you want to follow these steps to fix it. So you're going to want to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until you can get the Apple logo to appear. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So I'm going to do volume up, volume down very quick, and then I hold down that side button just like that. And you're going to keep on holding. And once you see the Apple logo, your phone should be good and turning back on and being fixed if it wasn't turning on before. And if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying this method. Sometimes you'll need to try it a few times. As long as your phone has charge, it should turn it on. All you did is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then you just hold down that side button. This is known as a force restart, basically making sure the software is reloaded on the phone. It will not delete any of your data. And this is Apple's the #1 troubleshooting step when it comes to fixing any device. And I just did it one more time, even though it was on, you can do it. So if it's turned off, go ahead and try it. And again, very important that you want to make sure the phone is accurately charging. It's not getting blocked by anything, whether you have a case, maybe dust, lint, dirt, making sure that you actually charge the phone before trying this method. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.